Hello, welcome to MetaTrader Service, and I am going to show you a free strategy you can use to make money online, whether you trade forex or stocks or crypto, anything. If you have a really small account and you want to make money fast, I advise you to trade the index. Right. So to find this pair, I will add the broker link in the description. You can sign up on the broker with the link in the description and join my free group to take free signals and make money. All of these signals was sent in the group. Right. So VIX 25 on the was sold about up there. VIX 75S was sold about few minutes ago. VIX 10 it was brought yesterday. VIX 50S was brought yesterday. So all of these are powerful entries that I use to take signals. So if you want to learn to make money online, you have to join the group to know exactly how I trade. So I would advise you to join the group right now. So let's show you guys what I use, what I do. First, you have to turn your camera around. I don't know if you would see this, but you have to go on the higher time frame. Let's say I want to enter VIX 75. I would go on the higher time frame. I would make sure the higher time frame. Let's just delete this. Let's delete one more time frame. Delete this. Right. So let's go on the higher time frame. Right. And let's say you are in an uptrend. We are seeing higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows. This failed to create a next higher high, right? So we are saying that the market is trying to go down. So what you want to do is you want to draw a line and connect all point, simple strategy, and wait for this to break. And when it break, it will came back to the line to retest. So each pair, when it break out, it will retest the zone and then we will continue to buy. So I will draw my line right here. So if it break, I will know it will retest this level, and the sales for VIX 75 would be good, would be very good, right? So let's just do this. So this is also a level where it's going to reject from, because this level is very tough. But I will wait for this to break down. As you can see, it failed to form a higher high. It should form a next higher high and then came back to the trend line to form a lower low, but it failed to form a higher high. So this is the I versions are what you want to name. It's a showing sign that VIX 75 will sell. Right. So if you study the market and study everything, so I advise you to draw your line and connect all point before entering any trade. Let's look at our next pair now. Let's look at VIX 50. Right. So I will repeat the same step that I did. So VIX 50 is in a downtrend, as you can see. It's in a downtrend. We don't know if we can connect any. Okay, we can connect points here in the downtrend. All the points you wait. Let me just delete unnecessary this line that I draw. Okay, this is the 5-minute time frame. It's not really good to draw a line on the 5-minute time frame. The 1 more time frame. Okay. It's not. Let's just say if we can draw a line here. So this is a powerful strategy you can use. Right. So yes. So this is still in a downtrend until it break up. It will be an uptrend. Right. And this is going to be this is going to be an uptrend. Why I say that? Because this level, if the price break this level, is going to be an uptrend. But for now, it is still going down. Until it break this level, it will break it, and it will come back to it for the retest, and then it will buy more to maybe hit the downtrend line, and then it will sell, or it will eventually break out. So this is how I trade. It's very easy to trade if you will understand the candlestick momentum and everything in candlesticks. Let's just look on VIX 300S to see what's going on. Alright, so I'm seeing if I connect all point here, if I connect, so this strategy is very effective. Connect all point on the wick, on the candle wick, connect all your point on the candle wick and wait for the price to break it. It will break up because this is a flag pattern, I guess. It will break up, but before it do, I believe it will come back to form a double bottom. And then it should break upwards. Right, so this is just my understanding looking at the 30 minutes time frame. Let's just look at the 1 hour time frame to see if it is going to buy for real. You can see it's in a buy momentum. The daily time frame, it's going to buy. Yes, so the trade is correct. VIX 300S will buy. Right, so you have to wait on the retest to the level for the buys to be confirmed. Right, so yeah, so trading is very simple if you draw your lines on every single thing. Yeah, so this is VIX 25S, and I see a downtrend now. Watch. Okay, so this was markup and it was token. We took this trade today. I sent this trade in the group today, and we took it massive profit, and I can see it's falling down. I don't know why, but maybe this level was a strong level to break. Okay, this level here, it was a very strong level to break. Only thing it could do is just meet it and then fail, and just fail. It could break this level, but this looked like a reversal again, so this can still buy from this level here, and then it will break out. It will break out. That's what I need. Look at the daily time frame. It's not sell momentum, but let's see what happens. Right, so the line strategy is very useful if you use it. Let's go on the H1 time frame. Make sure we connect all point. Look at what I say, connect all point to know where the market is going and wait for them to break. Right, so here you can say we connect almost 3 points. That make sure you connect them on the candle week to get a better experience in trading. Yes, so here is a very good point. So we have to wait on this to break before thinking about entering, and it won't break. It respect this line, so this will continue to sell. As you can see, it did not break it. It respect it, so the sales is going to continue. This is a double top chart pattern. It will sell, and then it will go up for my next low and respect the neckline from the double top, and then will continue to sell. So looking at any trade, you can figure out where the market will go. Looking at any trade, you can have a better trading experience. Right, so looking at VIX step index H1 time frame, if you draw a trend line, we would realize that it is now broken. Let's draw on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so the downtrend for step index was broken, and the challenge is how to get in this trade. Very simple challenge. Right, so my thing I learned about my strategy, the price will come back to the candle and break it out. So I would look for an entry anyway about here for the retest, for the buys continuation. So that's how I enter this trade. It will come back to here and then continue buy, because it failed to create a lower low. lower high, lower low, and then failed to create a lower high, lower low, and then failed to create a higher low. You create a higher, right? So we to go down to create a higher low, then higher, and repeat the same thing. So this was broken, right? This was broken. So, and this is a double bottom for step index. Step index double bottom here. We have one here, and we can also look for a buy entry about here for the neckline retest, but more while it will like sell down and then reject upwards, right? So this is a powerful entry you can use to trade and make some profits. But you can join the group and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel to never miss an upload, to know how to trade sniper entries and earn money online. So yes, it will start buying. Step index will start buying virtually. Step index is going to buy, and let's see which level it reject from. Let's just draw our line and let's see. Okay, we understand that this level was a very hard level right here, so it reject from this level. So step index is going to buy, right? So, and it's very close to our entering point. You have to wait 1 hour, 12 o'clock to get a great entry. You have to wait 12 o'clock because I'm waiting for it to come back here or retest here, right? So the 30 minutes time frame, it should came back to the candle that broke it out. But usually this is an double bottoms and this is neckline, so it will actually came here and then retest and then continue by. So if this video help you, you can leave a comment and recommend it to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to never miss an upload. That's the key. This is the MetaTrader service, and we are here to provide you with signals. You can join our VIP group.